I'm over here by the docks. This is one of my favorite trees on Maui. This is a bird tree. You might know it as a banyan tree, but at sundown, as you can hear, it's a choir. Just to give you a sense of scale and show you how big this tree really is, I'm going to have to back off a little bit to encompass the whole thing. Of course, maybe I should have just rotated the iPhone and showed you a vertical snip, because as you can see, it's a huge tree. There are some palms that go this way. It's just these huge branches that support the whole tree. There's a break in the middle and then a second canopy. Goes all the way up. Let me do a photo synth. Alright, this is Pod Pal